Hey everyone, welcome to Coastal RV Center located in Ravenel, South Carolina, just off Savannah Highway, your destination for quality RVs and campers. We pride ourselves on being the best service around. Our service department is second to none. We're the only dealership to offer express lane service. Get your RV serviced same day. And at Coastal RV Center, we believe in no hidden fees, offering top-tier finance options, and delivering only the highest quality of products to our customers. And we offer quality brands that you'll know, like Winnebago, East to West Delaterra, Surveyor. We even have an Allegro bus by Tiffin and a Cornerstone. Honestly, that's just to name a few. We specialize in high-end used motorhomes. And speaking of specials, we even have a clearance corral. This is no doubt the best way to find the very best deals on the lot. Why buy from a giant corporation when you can buy from a family-owned dealership? Walk in, shake hands with their owner, know that you made the right decision, and go home happy. If you're looking to become the newest member of the family, call 843-564-1542. Or come on out and pay us a visit. Just ask for me, Justin, and I'll get you taken care of. Thank you.